Hi to all, this is the Dark here, and in today's video we have Parkside inverter flex cord wire welder. So the welding current is 25 till 120 amps. This is rated at 230 volts input, no load, 46 volts. So I almost open it, as you can see here, and here I did, but here I didn't. So let's see what's in the box. Let's start it. So to open this we need special tools, and that's it. And you can go like this. So let's see what we have in the box. So in the box we have the machine. So for this I need two hands, so I can take all out and see what we have in. So stay tuned. So I took everything out, and here we have the ground. Here we have some brush to clear the welds. Here we have, I don't know how to pronounce this. Here is the welding mask. Here you have glass for it, so you have to put glass in. Here is a handle. Here are the instructions. Always read user's manual to know your product. So, and this is our start. This is our welding machine gun. So here we have nozzle is already in. So here you have on-off switch. That's nice. Here we have cable. So this is Euro plug, and in here we have ground, and here, well, that's very nice. We have settings, so we can put on the wire which wire do we have, then we put it in this range between 0.8 millimeters to 3 millimeters. So this is PIFDS 120A1. So let's see what we have here. If we open this side, so here you have a little clamp, and here we have welding wire. So here is self-shielded flux cord wire, 0.9 millimeters, and this is 0.45 kilos, so almost half kilo. I'm gonna open this and try to weld it. Here we have some nozzles spare. They are, let's see, here we have 0.6, okay. Here we have, let me take this out. So here we have 0.6, 0.8 and 1 millimeters. So that's it. So now let's plug some voltage in here and see how this performs. So I've connected to the power. You have to put a wire here and goes like this, so you move this like this, and now we need to close this. You see the wire goes in here, so we're gonna close this. So this is the motor, and we're gonna tighten this bolt. Okay, and now let's start this machine. So the fan kicks in. So let's see if we have but we don't have any movement, so I don't know. And now we have. So let me just. So you just push it. And you see the wire goes in, so we have long tube. So wait a minute. And remember, before welding you need to put on clothes so you don't get skin burns and not dress like me, like a tourist. So this is only for testing, not for welding. And not like this. So wait a minute. So let's try another time. So we have, I think we're gonna have more luck now. So like I said, I'm just not a professional, so this is my weld. I don't know, this looks bad, but I have to try more and more, and I hope I'll get better. So this is our Parkside welding machine. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next welding. I hope I'm gonna do better and better. Thanks for your time. Bye. Zezor Street Dark out. Bye.